In the previous lessons, I've shown 3 ways how we can use Mentimeter to design learning activities that would engage students in the classroom or even online. Actually, Mentimeter can do much more. So in this lesson, I will show you how and where to explore other things that you can do using Mentimeter. When you sign in into your Mentimeter account, you will see on the left hand side here, there is menu here called Inspiration. So if you click that, and here you can see templates, use cases, webinars. If you click use cases, you will see on this page, Mentimeter suggested here many different ways, explore different situations where Mentimeter can be used for interacting with your audience. When you use Mentimeter in the workshop, in the training, in education, for example, in a classroom setting, you can use Mentimeter in the meetings, events, even conferences. And for your information, I have used Mentimeter a lot in my face-to-face workshop, my training, face-to-face training, online training, education in my classroom, in my online course, in the conferences also I have used it. So, and from my experience, I find Mentimeter is really a powerful tools which we can use to engage participants, make learning fun, make training fun and active, and yet, of course, it will achieve the learning outcome as a bottom line. So if you want to explore further, just go under each of these headings. For example, in the workshop, what can you use Mentimeter for in the workshop? And these are the different scenario given here, and these are some of the feedback from the users. This is how different people use it for different application in the workshop setting. Very interesting, and it will give you a lot of ideas. The same thing, you can check for under training, many ways of, and these are some of experience feedback from people who have used Mentimeter in the training setting. And this is a different way again, how they use Mentimeter in training and how the results look like. In education, again, the same thing. You can see some feedback from the educators, from the teachers, and the different ways of how they use it in the classroom. And the same thing, you can go check for meetings, how people use Mentimeter in meetings, events, conferences, and so on. So I would strongly encourage you to check this out under the page which you can access under just now, Inspiration. And again, also you can look under features here to explore further. This is the last lesson on Mentimeter in this course, and my last words on Mentimeter. I personally have been using this a lot, so I'm sharing with you this tool which I love it so much, and I would like to see that you start to use this in your own course or in your own training workshops, meetings, conferences, and so on.